September 23rd, Air Jordan 3, J Balvin, $250. Sneakers app, into the raffles. Are you interested? How's that price tag? But I have another question for you. Are you a rebel? We're going to answer that question. I might be a rebel. What's going on? You know who it is. MTIP. That is Mr. Think I'm Possible, where I challenge you to think that I'm possible. We're going to take a look at the Jordan 1 Rebellionaire. It is rumored to say that they can't stop you from wearing them. But there is a story behind why they say that. When Michael Jordan was a rookie, did you know that the NBA, back in that time, the only approved color that you were allowed to wear on the court was a white sneaker? Nike gave MJ that deal. He had on the red and black Jordan 1s, and they banned them. They banned those kicks, and pretty much what they said was, hey, what are you going to do? Are you going to fine them? And they were like, yeah, we will go ahead and fine them. So Michael Jordan was getting fined $5,000 every time he wore this kick, and guess what? That didn't do nothing but make it more popular. And that's the reason why these Rebellionaires came into play. Let's take a look. They can't stop you from wearing them. Jordan 1 Rebellionaire. Now, these shoes originally come with black laces. It's normally black on black. You know me. I'm going to go ahead and switch out the colors, switch out the laces for you, show you how it looks with different laces. So just keep in mind, it comes with the black laces. When we take a look at this kick here, you can see the writing all over there that says that they can't stop you from wearing them. This shoe is currently going for, in a size 12, right about that $345 price range. But just take a look. You see the writing all over the top, all over the front toe cap there. We have that black and gray, right? Nike swoosh, and you just have that writing all over it. Just all over. Going all the way around, you have that red X. That's that band, right? That's that rebel. You know, do you got some rebel in you? I do. You got some rebel? Look at that. All the way down, and then we have that Rings logo. Coming around to the tongue, we have that white Nike Air with the black sock liner on the inside. This does come with a spare set of laces. Take a look at the bottom as well, with that nice gray bottom. Comes with an extra spare of laces, of white laces. While I have you there, go on and show your boy some love. If you are enjoying this content, I would appreciate that. Just go ahead and subscribe. If you'd like to, gently tap that like button. Maybe drop a comment down below. Let me know. Let me know. What do you think about these Rebellionaires? What do you think about them? It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy, because just to think that when the NBA thought that they were going to, I guess, cause some damage to the Nike brand or even Jordan himself, the only thing the NBA did was just make the Jordan 1 more popular, way more popular. And take a look at how far the shoe game and the sneaker game has come. Do you think the NBA did the right thing by changing it up? By allowing players to be unique. Because Jordan was the one who landed that big old deal. Guys, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the views. And I appreciate you. We're out of here. Thank you for watching. You know what? I want you to enjoy another video, because there are some more sneakers coming out soon. And let me know if you have your eye on them, on any of them. Jordan 8 playoffs. I didn't pick them up. I've already been seeing a lot of reviews on them. So go ahead and check it out. In the meantime, I will catch you in the next one.